Hello guys, good afternoon. This is our half day accomplishment because hangover kagabi. So gumawa tayo ng suporta ng stair kasi para tumibay. Hindi lang yung purpose niya sumuporta. So magiging storage din siya. Double purpose. Yung ilalim ng stair is magiging storage. Ayan po guys, nakasuporta yan sa stair. So hindi basta-basta bigay yung stair natin kasi may CHB file na nakasuporta sa kanya. At yung next proposed project is yung main door, papalitan natin ng grills. So eto, i-repair pa natin yan. Restoration ng isang grills, lumang grills. So ilalagay natin sa main door dyan sa aking kabady. Kung saan nakatayo yung body ko, dyan natin ilalagay yung i-restore nating grills. Ayan po. Yung downspout nakalagay na. So gutter, ayan na. So that's all for today's accomplishment. Bukas sabay yung electrical para matakpan na yung nakatiwangwang dyan. Kasi iniintay yung electrical bago matakpan. Para nakatago yung electrical natin. Yung lalabas, breaker lang. So ayan na po guys. Hopefully matapos na kasi may nag-aantay na namang project. Thank you for viewing and don't forget to like and share. That's all folks for today.